and welcome to day 30 of my 30-day Phonics Boost. Can you believe how far you have come? We are on our last day today and I'm so proud of all of the hard work that you've done, and I really hope that you have seen that boost to your phonics skills and your confidence as well. But of course, we've still got one more day of learning, so let's get our phonics brain switched on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. For our focus sounds today, because we've been doing them for quite a few days now, I'm not going to sound them out, just you. Are we ready? Can you do it quicker? I know you can. Do you think you can do it even faster? Let's see, are we ready? Oh, amazing, well done. That was a bit too quick for me. Now, of course, we're not going to forget these sounds. I know you know them, just you. Excellent. Do you think we can do these ones faster? I know you can. Excellent. Now I'm going to put last couple of days sounds with these new focus sounds. Can we do them all together? Are we ready? Excellent. There are a lot of sounds there. And of course, we're not going to forget the sounds from earlier on in the boost. Just you. Excellent. What about these ones from even further ago? Excellent. What about these ones? Can you remember these? Excellent. And what about these ones from even longer ago? Amazing. Look at all of those sounds you've learned over the last 30 days. Well done you. Now the sound that we're focusing on today is another digraph, and it's a digraph because two letters make one sound. The letter C and the letter K together make the K sound, and the K sound is a short sound. Let's practice saying it. K, k, k. Excellent. Now that we've practiced saying the K sound, let's find some objects that use the K sound. In my magic box, I've got some objects that use the K sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? It's empty. I think we need our phonics magic. Can you remember our magic spell? That's right, we say hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see. Phew. Now, our objects that use the K sound, the K sound is at the end. So you need to make sure you're using your phonics brains and listening really carefully to that word. Are we ready? Duck, yes. Puffin, no. Rock, yes. Zebra, no. Sock, yes. Excellent. So sock, duck and rock all use the K sound. I'm going to put all the objects back in. This time I'm going to be bringing them up much quicker, and I need you to tell me yes if they use the K sound and no if they don't. Are we ready? Excellent, well done. Now we're going to practice our oral blending. Right, my phonics superheroes, for our oral blending, we need to make sure that our superhero listening ears are turned on. I'm going to sound out each word and I want to hear you blend it. Are we ready? S-o-k. Sock. D-a-k. Duck. N-e-k. Neck. Excellent oral blending. Now we're going to move on to reading some words. So my reading superstars, the first time we do our new k words, I'm going to sound them out. Then I want to hear you joining in. Are we ready? S-o-k. Sock. Your turn. Sock. D-a-k. Duck. Your turn. Duck. N-e-k. Neck. Your turn. Neck. Excellent. Now we've done them together once, just you. Sock. Duck. Neck. Excellent. Well done. Are you up for a challenge? Our challenge word today is backpack. Look how long that word is. I know you can do it. My turn first. B-a-k. P-a-k. Backpack. Your turn. Backpack. Excellent. Because it's quite long, I'm going to do it again. Are we ready? B-a-k. P-a-k. Backpack. Your turn. Backpack. Excellent. Now it's time to rewind and look at some of the words we've been learning over the last couple of days. Now, because we've done these words before, just you. Puff. Cliff. Excellent. Now this word we've done a couple of times, so let me see if you can just read it. Are we ready? Hill. Excellent. Want to hear you. Hill. Excellent. Now moving on to our tricky words, and our new tricky word today is what. What? 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 Excellent. Let's look at some of the tricky words we've been learning over the last couple of days. Let me see if you can remember them. One. Who. Some. Excellent. Don't worry if you didn't remember them. Let's do them together. One. Who. Some. Excellent. Let me put our new one with those ones. What? Are we ready? One. Who. Some. What? Excellent. Well done. There are a lot of words there. Well done. Right, my phonics superheroes and reading superstars, we're nearly at the end of day 30. Can you believe it? But before we finish, we're going to go through our focus sounds a few more times then play our little game. Now I know you know these sounds, so just you. Excellent. Do you think you can do them faster? Do you think you can do them even faster? I know you can. Excellent. Now we're going to play our little game where I take one of the sounds away and you can tell me which one is missing. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. Let me see, which one am I going to take away now? Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. And then the last one I'm going to take away today. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. Well done. And that's it. You're finished. You've done 30 days of my Phonics Boost. That is amazing. And I hope that you've seen that real boost in your phonics skills and your confidence too. Don't worry, if there's anything else that you still need to learn, I've got lots and lots of videos to help you. Now, because you have worked so hard, you should be feeling so proud of yourself, and I know that I am feeling very proud of you. So I think you need to give yourself a great big pat on the back. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. Well done on all of your hard work. Goodbye.